adding a whiteboard to our Google Meet session. In Google Meet, we call it either a whiteboard or whiteboarding. So to begin, I can go to one of two places to access the whiteboard. I can come down here to the center and click on the three dots, scroll up to the top and click on whiteboard. This will open a Google Jamboard, or I click on the activities button in the lower right corner and click on whiteboarding, which will also open up a Google Jam. So here, since I have this window already open, I'm going to click on this particular Google Whiteboarding. When I click on that, it asks me for the ability to either start a new whiteboard or choose one that I have already created. So today I'm going to start a new one. When I start a new one, it creates the Google Jam in the upper right corner, upper left corner, and when it does that, I have an automatic link that got sent out during the creation in my chat that has already been sent to my participants. They can click on that and join the particular session. Now, if I wanted to do this live and be able to present my jam to everyone, I can click on the share option, present now. When I click on the present now, I have different options. I'm going to choose a tab. When I present the tab, I need to come up here to find the particular jam session that I have, and it currently is the top one. I click on that and click share. Here I now open up my jam. All of my participants can see my particular jam on the Google Meet. And when I am completed with my marking up of this particular document, I can click the stop share up here at the top. When I click stop share, it will stop the share. The user still has access to the Google Jam, and so do the participants. Thank you. Have a great day.